My name is Tisha, and I have a question for you. Do you know what time it is? I do. It's time to get BakaBeautiful. Okay, I'm going to show you what I have in my Natural-Laxer Gold Kit. These are the two Natural-Laxers. They send you 2 rose waters. This is the Argan liquid hair oil. This is the moisture shampoo. And of course we have the moisture conditioner. Okay, so this is my kit. Plus I have my hydro cap nearby. And we're gonna start this stuff right now. How about that? Okay, so I'm gonna open up one container. And I get 2 because I have a lot of hair. So you don't have to get 2, you can get 1. But it's better to get 2, that way you'll cover everything. You don't have to worry about, oh, did I get enough in the back? Did I get enough in the front? You'll have enough, trust me. Okay, I just emptied out 2 of the powders of the Natural-Laxer. Okay, and then I'm gonna put in my rose oil. Looking good. Here's my second one of the rose water. This is part of the solution. Okay. And then this is the Argan hair oil. You can put a little bit in this, and this makes it, this helps with the moisture. So for me, I just actually use the whole thing. It's okay to use the whole thing if you want to. If you don't want to, you feel it's too much, you can use half or less than half. Okay, so here's my shampoo and conditioner, so I don't need to put that in there. And if you have a spoon of any sort, you can take a spoon. And what I did forget to show you is it's a powdery form. It's like it's a Sahara clay. That's what it is. So it's gonna look like that. And you're gonna mix it really good. And mix your stuff. Mix your potion, should I say. Okay, it's all mixed. Let me show you how it looks. Okay, and I already started applying in my hair. Do you see that? Okay, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the mixture in and work it in, work it in, work it in, okay? Okay, I'm all finished. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it on overnight. Yes, overnight. I want the deepest penetration I can get. And let's see how it looks tomorrow morning. How about that? Also, I want to explain why I have the gloves so you don't get confused. It doesn't sting or burn. Remember, this is an all-natural laxer kit, okay? Nothing but fine herbs. I just put it on because I don't want it in my nails and I just don't want it all over my hands. I just like it to be a little bit neater. So if you have any type of plastic gloves, you can put them on. And if you don't, it's fine. It's not going to damage or ruin your hands. You'll be A-okay. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow. Now I'm BakaBeautiful.